Welcome. Let's talk about how to speak English without fear. Speaking is the key to learning. Don't be shy, you can do it. Many learners are afraid to speak. They think they'll make mistakes. But making mistakes is how you grow. Fluency doesn't come in one day. It comes by speaking a little every day. Start small, but be consistent. Nobody speaks perfect English at first. Even native speakers make mistakes. It's okay to be imperfect. Don't wait until you're ready. Start speaking now, with simple words. Your progress will surprise you. Use English in your daily life. Talk to yourself in English. Practice in the mirror or with friends. Watch English videos and repeat after them. Slow speaking is fine. Clear speaking is powerful. Confidence grows with use. The more you speak, the less fear you'll feel. Believe in your voice. Fear is normal, but don't let it stop you. Speak even when you feel nervous. That's how you beat fear. Make English part of your fun time. Sing songs, read jokes, or tell stories. Enjoy the learning. Focus on communication, not perfection. If they understand you, that's success. Fluency comes later. Use easy words to express your thoughts. Simple is smart. Start simple, grow stronger. Practice English every day, even for 5 minutes. Daily practice is more powerful than long breaks. Be regular, not perfect. Record your voice. Listen to how you speak. Notice your improvement. Celebrate small wins. Said a full sentence today. Great job. Every word counts. Don't compare yourself to others.